In case you have also joined this company, the name is Smart Service, providing you data entry, form filling, capture filling work. Be aware. In case you have also joined their agreement, given your Aadhaar card and ID proof, and now they are demanding money. The another company name that is Netflow Digital, and here they are also demanding money on the name of NOC. And here the company name is Cause Tech Company. They have also registered the FIR and demanding money. People are in complete panic. Also join this company, and now like initially they approach to you and tell you it's a part-time job. They take your ID proof, photograph and signature. After that you started working. Like that there are a lot of company providing you data entry, form filling, capture filling work. Initially they approach you and take your proofs and provide you the work, but if you are not able to complete their work on time, or even if you submit, they will say accuracy is not there, or in between you want to left off the job, they will demand the money from you on the name of the cancellation of the agreement, or taking a legal action, or sending a legal notice to you. How you can prevent from the legal notice getting to your home address, and you don't have to go to any police station or any court, and you don't have to pay any amount to them, and you will also not face any harassment call from the advocate side or message. Each and everything solution our lawyer is going to provide you. Just contact us, get our help, save your time and money, and complete mental peace.